In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and set up Outlook app on your Android phone. Begin by opening the Play Store and search for Outlook. Wait for the installation to complete after you press Install on the Outlook app on Play Store. Once installed, tap on Open, and the app will greet you with the welcome screen that includes options to add an account or create a new one. If you already have a Microsoft account associated with apps like Microsoft Teams, Outlook might automatically recognize it. If not, or if you're setting up Outlook for the first time, tap on Skip to proceed with setting up your account manually. Tap on Add Account. Enter your email address and tap Next. You'll be redirected to a screen where you'll need to enter your password. Enter a password and then tap Sign In or Next, and follow any additional prompts to complete the login process. Once logged in, Outlook may ask you if you want to add another account. If you're done, tap Skip or Not Now. You're now logged into Outlook on your Android phone. You can access your emails, calendar, and other features. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.